Hello friends, myself R.D. Mahajan, Assistant Professor, MIT Aurangabad, presenting my video on the topic curve tracing, type Cartesian curve. Let us see the first example. Trace the curve xy square is equals to a into x square minus a square with full justification. Therefore, using that 5 points procedure or 5 steps. First point, symmetry. Here the power of y is even, therefore curve is symmetrical about x-axis and no any other symmetry exists here, only it is symmetrical about x-axis. Then second point, origin and tangents at the origin. For that, find the lowest degree. First put x and y at 0. If we put x and y 0, left hand side is 0. Right hand side becomes minus a cube, not equal. Therefore, curve does not passes through the origin, and as it is not passing through origin, no question of finding the tangents at the origin. We go for the next point, point of intersection. Point of intersection with x-axis, as it is symmetrical about x-axis. For that, put y is equals to 0. Therefore, if we put y equals to 0, left hand side is 0, right hand side is a x square minus a square, and that is equals to 0. Dividing by a, we get x square minus a square is equals to 0. It implies x is equals to plus minus values of x. Therefore, points becomes x is a when y is 0, one point of intersection. Second point is x is minus a when y is 0. Therefore, these are the 2 points of intersection. And as we get a point of intersection other than origin, we have to shift the origin. Therefore, shifting the origin, to point A0, we have to obtain the tangent at this new origin. For that, suppose the original coordinates are x and y, and from that we are shifting it to point A0. Change in x coordinate is x plus a, and change in y coordinate is y plus 0. And as curve is passing through origin, this point will lie on that curve, and as it lies on that curve, it will satisfy that equation, and therefore the new equation is x plus a into y square a into x square x plus a bracket square minus a square. Simplifying it, it is a into, expanding this, we get a square means x square twice ab plus b square. Therefore, its expansion is x square plus 2ax plus a square, and this minus a square get cancelled this one, and therefore we have a into x square plus 2a square x, and then determine the lowest degree term or terms. The degree of first term is 3, degree of the second term is 2, next with degree 2, and last one is with degree 1. Therefore the lowest degree term is here 2a square x, equating it to 0. It implies dividing by 2a square, we get x is equals to 0. X equals to 0 means y-axis or new y-axis is the tangent at point A0. Okay, therefore we get y-axis as the tangent. Similarly, we have to perform for this second point. Therefore we shift it to minus A0. Change in x coordinate is x minus a, and change in y coordinate is y plus 0 means y. Again, curve is passing through this point, means it will lie on this curve, and as it lies on that curve, it will satisfy that equation. Therefore, I will make the changes here itself. This point become x minus a into y square. A, here it is x minus a bracket square and minus a square. Expanding this, we get here a square means x square minus 2ab means minus 2ax plus b square a square minus a square. We get here a into x square minus 2a square x, and therefore equating the lowest degree term or terms. Once again, degree for the first is 3, degree for second is 2, degree for third is 2, and the last one is with degree 1. Therefore equating that term, therefore minus 2a square x is equals to 0. Dividing by this, we get x is equals to 0. Once again, y-axis is the tangent at the point minus a0. Means for both the point a0 and minus a0, y-axis is the tangent. We are taking the help of this point to draw the shape of the curve or to complete the figure by drawing it slightly parabolic at that point of intersection. And that is the main use or the main purpose of finding the tangent at this point of intersection. Then we go for the point number 4, asymptote. Point number 4, asymptote parallel to y-axis here, as curve is symmetrical about x-axis. If any asymptote exists, it must be parallel to y-axis only. And therefore, following the procedure, find the highest degree term in y. The highest degree term in y is y square. Then find its coefficient. Its coefficient is x, equating that coefficient to 0. Therefore, x is equals to 0 means y-axis is the asymptote. Asymptote means this y-axis becomes tangent to the curve at infinity. Okay. Therefore, again we use it to complete the figure. And the last point, region. Where curve exists or where curve does not exist. For that, to solve the equation for y as it is symmetrical about x-axis. Therefore, solving it for y, we get y square is equals to a x square minus a square and dividing by x. This I can rewrite as a square minus b square. Factors are a plus b, a minus b. Therefore, x plus a and x minus b means x minus a plus b factor and a minus b factor, x plus a and x minus a. This product is nothing but a square minus b square means x square minus a square and divided by x. And then we try to find out the values of x for which we get y square as negative. But before that, I will make the figure. I will try to show the figure. Here it is. X-axis, y-axis, origin. Symmetrical about x-axis means whatever the curve we have to draw, it must be symmetrical to this x-axis. Curve is not passing through origin. Therefore, origin is not the point on the curve. Point of intersection, we have 2 points of intersection. One is A0 on this positive x-axis and exactly on the same distance minus A0. Okay, these are the 2 points of intersection, and at this point of intersection we have a tangent to the curve. Y-axis is the tangent, or new y-axis is the tangent. Therefore, this is the tangent. Okay. And the asymptote, what is the asymptote here? Y-axis is the asymptote to this curve. Therefore, this line is the asymptote. Then, if you try to see the division of this region from minus infinity to minus a is one part, then minus a to 0 another part, 0 to a third, and a onwards. Therefore, I will divide the values of x as minus infinity less than x less than a, then 0 minus a to 0, minus a less than x less than 0 means between minus a to 0 the points. Third, 0 to a, 0 less than x less than a, and a onwards, a less than x less than infinity. And then we try to get the sign for y square. If we consider any value from minus a to minus infinity, therefore suppose minus a by 2, which is less than minus 2a, which is less than minus a. Therefore, what will happen if we put x as minus 2a? This becomes minus 2a plus a means this term is a negative with negative sign. Minus 2a minus a, again negative and x is minus 2a, sign is negative. Therefore, plus divided by minus, y square is negative, and as y square is negative, if we take square root on both sides, y becomes imaginary. Root of negative means curve does not exist. Means on this side curve does not exist. Okay. Then we consider any value which is between minus a to 0. Suppose minus a by 2. Point between 0 to minus a. Minus a by 2 plus a. This is with positive sign. Minus a by 2 minus a. It is with negative sign. And this one is minus a by 2. Again minus. This product is minus. And divided by minus, we get resultant term as positive. And as y square is positive, curve exists between 0 to minus a. Then third, consider any value which is between 0 to a, point between this 0 to a, suppose a by 2. Once again we find the sign, a by 2 plus a, we get positive value. A by 2 minus a, it is with minus sign, and x as a by 2 with positive sign. Therefore, this product is minus divided by plus, y square is a negative, and as y square is negative, if we take a square root, y becomes imaginary, and as y is imaginary, curve does not exist. Okay, means no any portion of the curve exists between this 0 to a. And then last point, last region, a to infinity, where any value which is greater than a, suppose 2a, 2a plus a we get positive value, 2a minus a again positive value, and divided by 2a, sign is positive. Therefore, if all values are positive, a resultant term is positive, means curve exists. Therefore, on this side curve exists, on this side curve exists between minus a to 0. Here curve does not exist, here curve does not exist, and therefore in two parts curve exists, this one and this one, and for the remaining two parts curve does not exist. Therefore we try to complete the figure. Here this line is a tangent at this point. We have to draw slightly parabolic part. Therefore, we have to draw that on the right hand side of this line. Therefore, I will draw a slightly parabolic part. Okay. Here curve does not exist, and from A onwards curve exists, and this line is a tangent, means on the right hand side of this line we have to draw another parabolic part. Okay. Curve is not passing through origin, and this y-axis is the asymptote, and as y-axis has asymptote, we have to show indirectly by making a part of the curve as a parallel to this line. Therefore, that I will draw on left side of this line, as curve exists between minus a to 0. Therefore, I will make here a slightly parallel part on both sides. Okay. Therefore, we have to complete the figure knowing the fact that curve exists between minus a to 0. Means we have to join this parabolic part with this parallel part smoothly, not by a straight line, because it is not a linear curve, it is non-linear curve. and therefore I will draw smoothly. I will join these two parts smoothly. We get this part, and then have a symmetrical portion about x-axis as curve is symmetrical about okay, and what will happen as x tends to infinity? If x tends to infinity, this term becomes infinity. Y square tends to infinity, y tends to plus minus infinity. Plus infinity, y tends to plus infinity, and y tends to minus infinity. We get this type of curve. Okay, this is the required figure. This line is the tangent. At the point minus a0, if you want, I will write down that point as minus a0. Okay, and this point as a0. Once again, this line is a tangent. Okay, and therefore I have used all the discussion to complete this figure, and whatever this figure we are getting is called as a tracing of this curve. Therefore, curve as shown in the figure. This is the required curve. What is important here? This division of region. That region we have to divide in 4 different parts: minus a infinity to minus a to 0, 0 to a, and a to infinity. And then we require to obtain the sign of y square, whether it is positive or negative. If it becomes negative, curve does not exist, and if sign is positive, curve exists. Therefore, we have two parts where y square is positive, means curve exists, and two parts where y square is negative, means curve does not exist. Therefore, this is the new concept we have to apply to obtain the region of integration. Region for that curve. Therefore, one more I will discuss in next part. Therefore, if you are watching my videos, please like and share it, as well as subscribe to my channel for latest updates. Thank you very much.